Okay, sir.
Sir.
Double titration. In double titration, how many endpoints generated?
2 endpoints.
2 endpoints are observed. How many indicators you will use?
2.
2 indicators will be used. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Can
you give the example of the first point?
Yeah, 2 endpoints are observed. I will show you. General cases are, see, regarding H2CO3, carbonic acid, okay? So from carbonic acid, we can form Na2CO3, NaHCO3 like this. From oxalic acid, H2C2O4. Here also we can generate Na2C2O4, NaHC2O4 like this, and many more. But generally we will see at our beginning, we will see these 2 cases only first.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And these will be titrant, means titration will be done either with HCl or H2SO4, right?
Yes, sir.
HCl X factor is 1, H2SO4 X factor is 2. H2SO4 X factor is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Here normality and molarity are same.
Same.
Here normality is equal to
Equal to 2 molarity.
molarity into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So phenolphthalein indicator,
Methyl orange.
will use phenolphthalein colorless in acidic medium. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and pink color in,
Basic medium.
pink color, pink in basic medium, and methyl orange, red in acidic, Okay, and orange or yellow, in which medium?
Basic.
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 So many informations we can cover, we can use.
Yes, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
Sir, please scroll up.
have you copied?
I have copied, sir.
Sir, I haven't copied.
Copy it, copy it.
So what is that after acidic, red and acidic?
And orange, yellow in basic.
Okay, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
And every time we will use law of EQE balance. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And what is that?
N1 V1 equals to N2
Number
V2.
of equivalent of A is equal to number of equivalent of B in a reaction. Right?
Yes, sir.
And number of equivalents, how can it be written? N1 V1 is equal to N2 V2, right?
Yes.
And how can we calculate number of equivalents? By this formula. And we can use calculate number of equivalents uh, of anything with this formula. Weight by equivalent weight. Okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And equivalent weight can be calculated by molar weight by X factor.
X factor.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So, and normality is equal to molarity into X factor. Number of equivalent is equal to number of moles into X factor. So many formulas are there, okay, which will be using frequently.
Sir, these are all there in the NCRT book.
Yeah, little it is NCRT book, but indirectly it is given.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Indirectly means when it comes to the practical manual, there it comes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is the name of this chapter?
The name of this chapter is some basic concept of chemistry and stoichiometry and
Okay, sir.
uh, and titration. Okay,
Okay, sir.
titration.
Yes, sir.
And titration you will find in practical manual. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move forward?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
How many important formulas are there? Tell me, children.
6.
Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
children.
Yes, sir.
Please respond so that I can move forward.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And here some common sense is required. Common sense means some idea. What is that idea? Suppose NaOH is there and Na2CO3 is there, right?
Yes, sir.
If this is the mixture, then if you react with HCl, acid, Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this this will complete in one step, children. Okay, like this. NaOH plus HCl gives you NaCl and water, right?
Yes, sir.
But this will react within two steps. Na2CO3, HCl gives you first NaHCO3 and water. Okay, and then again NaHCO3, again it react with HCl to give you what? To give you, wait, what happened? Here is used here, and one NaCl we will get. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and again if
Yes,
it
sir.
reacts,
NaCl and H2CO3.
we will get H2CO3, and again we will get NaCl, right?
Yes, sir.
So
NaCl.
this
Yes, sir.
this reaction is known as step 1, and this reaction is known as step 2. Okay, so this will be completing in how many steps, children?
2 steps.
2 steps. That's why it is known as double titration. 2 endpoint will be required.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if you can get this case, or you can get this case also. Na2CO3 and NaHCO3, right?
Yes,
And
sir.
if it is allowed to react with HCl, then you have to decide who will react, who will not react.
Na2CO3
So,
will react fast.
it will not react first. Okay, it will not react first, right?
Yes, sir.
Because Na2CO3, you know very well, see, it will react with HCl and it will give NaHCO3. So it will not react first. It will wait first that this compound converts into NaHCO3. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and once they are converted into it, then again they will react both NaHCO3 newly formed and the NaHCO3 old one, which was already in the present in the sample, and then they will react with HCl. Okay, and what they will give you? They will give you NaCl and H2CO3, right? Did you understand,
Yes,
children?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What are endpoints? Endpoints means when the reaction, first of all, note it down. Those who came late, don't come late, okay? Write it down quickly. Completed, children?
Sir, we have completed.
Okay. Then copy this one. All important formulas I have written, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Endpoint yesterday I have explained during simple titration, okay?
Yes, sir.
When the color of the indicator will change, you have to stop that reaction. That is known as endpoint.
Okay, sir.
Have you copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How you are doing titration? So you know very well that you have to take one conical flask, okay? In that you will keep the solution to whose unknown solution. Unknown solution. Already volume is known, okay? But normality is not known, okay?
Yes, sir.
Then you will use
Urate.
burette. Okay, and this will be your stand, right?
Yes, sir.
So if
Sir, someone is making noise. A very weird noise, sir.
okay, just identify and mention.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Give me the name, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
So what is this above conical flask?
Burette.
You did.
Again. Sir, I think some.
What do you think?
Sir, writing in the chat box.
Okay, right. So this is burette. Already I have written burette. Huh? And here one solution will be there. This solution is known as children standard solution.
Yes, sir.
Whose normality will be also known.
And volume
Known.
also will be known.
And volume will be also known. Burette reading is the volume. And here volume is known, only normality is not known, so we will use hello, right side. Children, our principal sir is there, please listen carefully.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning,
Good morning,
sir.
dear
Good morning,
students.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Morning, sir. Today is Saturday weekend. Tomorrow you will be having a study hour class, especially for CDF drive. Dear students, this time the results should get accelerated. It should get accelerated regarding the attendance as well as above 19 marks on 20. Even in mains, also you should show the same type of performance. The easiest way is to work hard, to listen your lecturers. Whatever lecturer says, you please follow the guidelines. Tomorrow in the study hour, my dear students, all of you should attend and they should score the best mark on Monday's exam. Next important note, dear students, your NLearn app is got updated. I request all the students to update your NLearn app. I request all students to update your NLearn app. This app is more friendly. You follow the app, you'll find out what are the extra advantages provided in the app. It is easy to handle. It is more interactive with each and every student. This is very, very important. Subhash sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
request you to announce this once again and in all classes. Even I'll announce in PCB and other classes also. You also make a note that NLearn app should get updated. It is upgraded. All the students should update their NLearn app.
Yes, sir.
I hope it is clear for you, students.
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
clear.
Yes, sir.
Immediately, as soon as you complete your classes, you should update your NLearn app.
Yes, sir. I already updated, sir.
Sir, I have
Already
also
uploaded.
updated.
Very good.
Updated.
Very good.
Those who have not
Not
upgraded,
updated, immediately do that after the classes.
Okay, sir.
Yesterday,
Okay,
you had a good interaction with our dean, sir. You understood where you are with respect to other states. Dear students, basically, as far as our state is concerned, we are comfortable. But when you compare with other states, we are trailing. Next year, next coming week, you should be number one. Our Subhash sir promised that in the open meeting, he has given we promised it to the higher officials that he is going to get 70 students 20 on 20. Now it is your duty to keep the word of your teacher. All of you work hard, you reach the mark and you cross the mark. It should be above 70. All the best, students. All the best, students. Sir, thank you, sir.
thank
Please
you.
carry on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So you can see how much we are working and serious about your academic. Okay,
Yes,
Okay, sir.
right. So this is the titration process, children. We'll take one conical flask. We'll put unknown solution there. Volume will be known, but we don't know the normality. Okay, and standard solution is there, whose normality and volume both are known. Volume can be known by burette reading. Okay, this is burette
yes,
reading.
sir.
Okay, sir.
Slowly we will put. Okay, so the volume will decrease. So if we start from 0 milliliter, so how much volume is consumed, that will be clearly seen. Okay, that is not
Yes,
a
sir.
burette reading.
Okay, sir.
And after that, every reading we are getting, then we will use all these formulas, children. This, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
No formula beyond that.
Yes,
This.
sir.
Okay, and just we have to keep in mind which reactant will react first and which reactant will react in the second endpoint.
Second endpoint.
That's all. That is only the total story of
Double titration.
the double titration. So shall I give you one question?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, write down one question. Problem number 1 on double titration. Okay,
Okay, sir.
you will feel that question is very lengthy, but actually it is very, very easy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
see.
Sir,
NaOH.
Sir, can you just repeat the syllabus for next Monday?
Coming Monday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Already I have given.
And the CDF points.
Medium point will be, I think, same. Redox reaction and some basic concept of chemistry.
The same syllabus.
हाँ. Can anybody read the syllabus of this coming week?
Yes, sir. I'm reading, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read it.
Okay, you read.
Sir, percentage leveling of oleum.
We
Then-
have completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
volume strength of hydrogen peroxide.
We have completed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then titration, simple titration and neutralization titration.
हो गया, sir. Done.
हो गया.
Neutralization titration is what, sir?
Yes,
छोड़
sir.
दो, पढ़ाई छोड़ो बेटा.
उसके
Neutralization
बाद-
मतलब acid plus base बेटा. Yesterday we did know.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, sir. कल
NOH
किए
plus
थे.
HCl. Yes, sir. उसके बाद सर double
Acid
titration,
plus base gives you what?
salt and water.
Salt and water.
That is known as neutralization.
Yes, sir. सर उसके बाद double titration, volumetric
Analysis.
analysis and
This
back
is only,
titration.
this titration is only known as volumetric analysis.
Yes, sir. उसके बाद back titration, redox titrations, oxalic acid versus KMnO4 and more salt versus KMnO4.
बस. Okay.
And sir,
And sir,
उसके ऊपर
problem
problem.
based on
Yes.
above topics.
Yes, sir.
Problem.
Problem.
So we are solving problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
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 So write the problem. NaOH and Na2CO3 are dissolved in 200 milliliter aqueous solution. Full stop. Next, in the presence of phenol, phenolphthalein indicator 7.5 milliliter of 0.1 normality HCl are used to titrate the solution. Titrate the solution. Do you understand titrate?
Yes, sir.
What we are doing, mixing and all, this is known as titrate. Okay.
Titrate.
Now methyl orange. Now methyl orange. See, it is second indicator. Okay. Is
Sir,
ah
sir, one student is telling to repeat the syllabus of this week and total CDF points.
So methyl orange is added in the same solution. The same solution. Titrated and titrated, and it requires 2.5 milliliter of same HCl. Okay, calculate the normality of NaOH and Na2CO3 and their mass present in the solution. Don't you find that question is very lengthy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But it is very easy. See, our interesting points are, we will highlight our interesting point. First of all, how many
Sir,
things
can
are
you just
present?
scroll down once?
Okay,
Just scroll down. I want to see the down part.
okay.
Sir.
See, our interesting point is NaOH and Na2CO3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Okay. Who will react first? Tell me.
Sir, NaOH.
NaOH.
NaOH and half of Na2CO3, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. They are present in how many volume?
200 ml.
200 ml.
Okay. First indicator is what?
Phenolphthalein.
Naphthalene.
At first endpoint, how many equivalent of HCl is required?
17.5
70.5 ml.
milliliter.
This is volume and this is normality. Okay.
Normality.
Yes, sir.
Children, if you have connection with your friends, ask them to join immediately. Okay. Okay. Some people are still not aware of the class. Okay. If you have some friends, show your
Yes,
friendship.
sir.
Show your friendship. Ask them to join immediately.
Yes, sir.
You wait for some time. We are asking.
Immediately ask them to join.
Yes, sir.
See, children. So what we have to do? Okay, we will start our calculation. So first, and when see, this is volume, children, and this is normality. So I told you several times. But that when the normality is given and volume is given means number of equivalents are given, children.
Yes, sir. We know.
It is the indirect way to give number of equivalents, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from here, okay, see, we will do our calculation like this. First endpoint and second endpoint. In first endpoint, how much number of equivalents of HCl is required? Okay.
17.5 ml into 0.1.
17.5 ml means divided by 1000 into 0.1, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
number
sir.
of equivalents of HCl is required in the first endpoint. And in the second endpoint, how much is required? 2.5 milliliter of HCl. Of same HCl means 0.1 normality only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2.5 by 1000 into 0.1. Okay, this is the equivalence.
Yes,
So
sir.
direct normality is given, so we will get number of equivalent directly. Now we have to think that this number of equivalent is used for what, and this number of equivalent of acid is used for what. Okay, children. So just see, it was NaOH and Na2CO3. So you can understand NaOH is completely used, children, in the first endpoint.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So we will use number of equivalent of NaOH and Na2CO3 will react completely or half?
Half.
Half, children, because it is completed in 2 steps. So in
Yes, sir.
one step it will be half, and another step it will be half. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So half number of equivalent of what? Na2CO3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is the left item in the solution?
Number of equivalent of
Total
HCl
total
equals to
NaOH
half.
is consumed, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Half Na2CO3.
Only
Half
half, yeah.
Na2CO3.
Half number of equivalent of Na2CO3 is left. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now what we can do? So it means this equivalent is half equivalent of Na2CO3. So solve first this equation, second endpoint. What will be the value? Tell me.
Sir, the
25.
5 into 10 to the power
That
4. 5, sir.
1, 2, 3 was already there. 4,
Yes,
5,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir. 25 into 10 to the power 5.
Yeah. So 25 into 10 to the power minus 5 equivalents, okay, of acid
Yes,
was
sir.
used, and for that
Yes, sir.
conclusion we know that law of equivalence is there. Law of
Yes, sir.
equivalence
Yes,
is there.
sir.
Number of equivalent of this will be number of equivalent of this.
Yes, sir.
So this is the equivalent of sodium carbonate, half value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. From this is half. So we can use here, children, same value.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can write like this also. 10. Okay, we'll use this only. So can we use this one? 25 into 10 to the power minus 5, right? This value.
Yes,
Both are value same, no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to. Now you solve this one. 175.
175 by 100,000
10 to the power minus.
minus 5.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Minus 5. Don't misguide me, okay? Regarding calculation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pay attention nicely. Point. Okay, it will become 10 to the power minus 5.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now we don't know the number of equivalent of NaOH.
NaOH.
But we know one 2 and 3. So we can calculate easily.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the number of equivalent of NaOH
Sir, 150 into 10 to the power minus 5.
is
150
equal to,
into
yeah,
10 to the
subtract
minus
it.
5.
Yes, sir. 150 into 10 to the power minus 5.
Yeah, 150 into 10 to the
10
power
to the power
minus
minus
5 is the
5.
number of equivalent of NaOH.
NaOH.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can calculate the normality also.
Yes, sir.
How much will be the normality? So normality formula, normality of NaOH
Number
is
of
equal to
equivalent by
number
volume.
of equivalent of NaOH by volume, right?
Yes,
Normality formula, normality formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the number of equivalent?
150 into 10 to the power minus 5.
What is the volume? What is the volume?
Sir, 0.2 liter.
200 ml.
0.2 liter, or we can say 200 milliliter. So we will use
Yes,
10
sir.
to the power 3 over here.
Yes, sir.
Now can you solve it?
Yes, sir.
How much
7.5
is
7.5 into 10 to the power
right?
Yes, sir. The 7.5 into 10 to the power minus 3, sir.
7.5
7.5
into
into 10 to the power minus 3.
Minus 3. Power minus 3, sir.
power minus 3. Okay, this is the normality of
Normality of
NaOH.
NaOH.
This is the normality of NaOH,
NaOH.
right?
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is, we have calculated the normality. Now we have to calculate the weight also. So for weight we have the formula, number of equivalent is equal to weight by equivalent weight, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the number of equivalent?
150 into 10 to the power minus 5.
150 into 10 to the power minus 5 into, what is the equivalent weight of NaOH?
1.
Ah,
Oh, no, sir. No, sir.
that
40,
is
sir.
X factor. That is X factor.
No, sir. 40, sir. 40.
40 is equal to W. Solve it.
Yes, sir.
Solve it.
6 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Solve it.
Yes, sir. 6 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Huh?
6 into 10 to the power minus 3.
6, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Into 10 to the power minus 3.
Okay, this
Sir, you
much
have
gram,
reduced, sir.
this much gram of W is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can use this way also, or you can use this way also. So if you write in another format, you can use like this:
But,
1,
sir,
2,
advanced.
3, 0.006, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, from where did we get 40?
Equivalent
By
weight.
NaOH. Sodium is 23, oxygen is 16, hydrogen is 1,
1.
right?
Sir, understood. Thank you, sir.
Try to solve it nicely, what it is exactly. Tell me, I am not satisfied with this value.
So this is the answer only, sir. So that will come 600 into 10 to the power minus 5.
600.
Into 10 to the power minus 5. Yes, sir.
This is 40 children.
Yes, sir.
So 150, if it is multiplied by 4, you will get 600. If it is multiplied by 4 only.
Yes, sir. 600.
Okay. Do the calculation nicely.
Oh, wait, sir. 170.
Sir, 6 into 10 to the
Sir,
power
my
minus 3.
into 10 raised to minus 2.
Yes, sir. 10
How
to the
much?
minus 2, sir.
Mine is
6
coming
into 10 to
6
the
into 10
minus
raised to
2.
minus 2.
6 into
10 to the power
10 to the power
minus 2.
minus 2.
-2. Who gave me 10 to the power -3 like this? Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Now it is
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So alternatively, what will be the answer?
0
0.06 gram,
0.06.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in
Yes,
this way,
sir.
this is the weight. This is the weight of NaOH in the solution of 200 milliliter, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand how we calculate it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, from second endpoint, we calculate this value. Okay, we have used here. We knew
Yes, sir.
this one. We calculated number of equivalent. Then we calculate the molarity by using this formula. Then we calculated weight by this formula. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, tell me what will be the about Na2CO3.
Sir, can you check the chat box?
Okay, next. So now tell me what is the number of equivalent of sodium carbonate?
Yes, sir. Number of equivalent 5.
Tell me
Following.
number of equivalent of sodium
50,
carbonate.
15 to 10 to the power minus 5.
Number of equivalent of sodium carbonate.
Net.
Half is here and half is here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can we multiply by 2? This one.
Yes, sir.
15 to
Yes,
10
sir.
to the power
50
minus
into
5.
10 to the minus 5.
Minus 5 is the equivalence. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you calculate the normality?
Yes, sir.
Number of equivalent by volume, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So normality, what is the equivalent? 50 into
50
10 to the power minus
5.
5 divided by 200 into 10 to the power 3.
10 cube.
Because it is in milliliter, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can calculate it.
2.5 into 10 to the power
0.25.
minus 3.
This is cut.
0.25 into 10 to the power minus 2.
5 4 ja 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here it is 10 to the power minus 2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what will be the value? 1 by 4 means?
0.25.
Huh?
0.25.
0.25 into
10 to the power minus 2.
2. So any alternate way? How can we write?
Sir, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3.
25 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Right, 25.
Like this. Can we move left hand side? 1 2. Just check and once it is clear or not.
Yes, sir. 0.0025.
0.25, no?
Yes, sir.
And it is
Minus 2.
0 5 1 ja 5 5 4 ja 20. Okay, and here it is 10 to the power minus 5. 2. So how much it will become? Tell me.
25 into 10 to the power minus
25 into 10 to the power minus 4, sir. It will be easy in calculation.
Okay. So this is the normality. Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, either we can write like this also 0.25 and we can bring 100 over here, right?
Yes, sir.
Or we can do like this also. So many options they may give you, so you have to be alert like this. 25 1 4. So normality can be 1 by 400 also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you calculate, use this formula, number of equivalent W by equivalent weight. Okay, calculate W. Time is over, children. Finish is fast.
The number of equivalent is 50 into 10 to the power minus 5, and equivalent weight is
Number of equivalent was 50 into 10 to the power minus 5.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Equivalent weight is 53.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
just you calculate W.
265. 265
265, sir.
265 into,
into 10 to the power minus 5.
Minus 4.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any alternate way to write? 1, 2, 3. Just see it is not correct. This multiplication.
Sir, that will be.
Why this person is giving wrong answer?
Sir, that will be, sir, 265 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Wait, though.
I have said 4 only, sir. You have written 5.
Then
Sir,
you have
4
to
only,
correct
sir.
it. No. Is it correct now?
Yes, sir. Now it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can write like this also. 1, 2,
0.0265.
0.0265 gram, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the double titration. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
In this way, you have to practice some questions given in your material. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in study hour, we will use. Already we have used KMNO4, oxalic acid, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Revision.
More salt.
Okay,
So
sir.
we'll practice in the study hour. Please come and join. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
in
sir.
study hour, something new happens or just revision of the morning classes?
We'll continue. We'll continue.
Okay, sir.
Bye
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
bye.
Thank you, sir.
Let me see who are there. All are. Why they are shutting their video? I don't
Sir,
know.
I am there, sir. I am there, sir.
You are there. Okay.
And my video is also on.
Let me see. Yes.
Yes, sir. We are there, sir.
Okay. Okay. I feel nice to see all faces. Yes.
Sir, if we have any doubt, can we write in the WhatsApp?
Yes. You can write me in WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Come on. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.